Brazilian Spa Detox Body Clay for Body Wraps. Detox and cleanse, rejuvenate and improve skin texture, all natural ingredients. This product is currently priced at the website. Here we invite you to follow the review from Fi Reviewer channel. The ultimate clay for body wraps. Our Brazilian Detox Clay helps unclog skin pores and draw out toxins from the skin. Naturally exfoliates skin and acts as an emollient, making skin firm, toned, moist, soft and supple since the first application. Natural treatment. Made with natural ingredients full of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals such as kaolin and bentonite clay, caffeine, and L-carnitine, which helps fight free radical damage and promotes skin repair. Perfect for all skin types. The Detox Clay produces a cooling sensation and creates an electric charge that attracts and absorbs the toxins, impurities, and heavy metals that degrade the look and feel of your skin, and making it young and healthy without any harmful chemicals or surgeries. Use it everywhere. Their home spa clay treatment can be used with a body wrap on the stomach, arms, back, legs, calves, buttocks. Apply a thin layer of our Detox Clay to the troubled area and leave it on for 1 hour, with or without a body wrap, then remove the clay with warm water. It can also be applied to the face as a facial mask. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your personal opinion right below this video.